Okay, so every time when I'm back here, means I have a great mission. Actually, they always say when you give a knowledge means so much because the knowledge means it's awake the people. Okay, and that's the greatest weapon that you can give to the people so they can stand on their own feet. See, so I do care for you. This is why I came with all these programs so I can provide or I can share the knowledge and the skills that I have, that I taught myself so you can learn from me. Okay, so now let's get started. So we have a question right here. They say rewriting the equation. I mean, this equation we have, but they want to make the subjects with a t in terms of v. So t has to be as a subject of the formula. See, t has to be a subject of the formula, but then when you finish making the t as a subject, and then you have to pick one of these answer, and we can see which is going to be correct. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to look at this. Let me start to solve. I'll go fast a little bit, okay? So what I'm going to do, this is like a fraction. You see, it's like somebody give a group of number over group of number. So I can consider this like whatever you have. So I'm going to say v equal to 2t plus 1, and then we have a t minus 1. So then what I can do after that, I can just say this is over 1. So it can resemble it's a fraction, and this is a group of number. And the next step, I can cross multiplication. So I want to make t the subject. So I can cross and say v times all this group and 1 times. V times, it's going to be v bracket t minus 1 equal to 1 times everything. So 1, 2t plus 1. And the next thing here, I'm going to say v times t, vt. V times t, vt, and v times 1, negative 1 is going to be negative v equal 1 times 2t, 2t, 1 times positive 1 equal to positive 1. So I want to make it a t. I want to make t the subjects of the formula. You understand what I'm saying? So now I'm going to say, okay, since I want to make t, I have to group t on the same side. So this t rather come to this side, and this v is going to go to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to have a vt, this positive, when it goes over equal sign, is going to become as positive equal. So we have here positive 1 is a 1. This is negative v. See? Okay, another thing, so whenever you have any number or anything, you identify or sign of any number on the left side. So this negative is the sign of v because you look at the left, on the left of a number. So when you take this v, it's going to go over equal sign, it's going to become positive v. So what we're going to do, you see there's a t, which I want to make subjects of the form. So I can factor this out because it's common for these two groups. So if I take t out of here, why am I doing that? Because I want to make this t as a subject. So if I take t here, I'm going to be left with v minus 2 equal, and here is going to be 1 plus v. So remember, you want to make t as the subject of the formula. So I don't need this. Because I just need t. Since you don't need this, how are you going to get rid of this? Divide it throughout. Just like somebody give you 2x equal to 4. How are you going to get x? It's very easy because if I have a 2x and I need x in the subject of the formula, means I don't need this 2. So it's like divide by 2. So my x equals. So same here. Since I want to get t and I don't need this, so I assume this is the one thing because it's inside the bracket, I'll divide by v over 2 throughout. So here I'll divide by v over 2, v minus 2, and here also v minus 2. So this and this cancel. So I'm going to be left with t equal to 1 plus v and v minus 2. Or this is same as say v plus 1, same thing. Because if you say 1 plus 2 equal to 3, and you say 2 plus 1 equal to 3. See? So I could have said v plus 1 over v minus 2. So this is a value of t. So finally, I can just finalize, say the value of t equal to 1 plus v, and then v minus 1, v plus 1, either way, and then v minus 2. So this is going to be the value of v, from the given equation, and then after rearrange it and restructure, and then we end up making t as the subject of the formula in term of v. So now let's go to the option and see which is the correct answer. If I can look careful, the first one, no, of course it's not the right answer. The second one, v plus 1, v plus 2, no, there's a problem here. It's not the right answer. This one, 1 minus v, no, there's a problem here. This one, what else you want. So this is the perfect answer. So from this given equation, this is going to be our right answer. So option 4. So some of the people here that might be new. So if you're new to this program, make sure you come right here, subscribe, share this video to a lot of people. It's very, very crucial because you see, I'm not selfish here. I share with you. You see, I share with you the knowledge that I have, a little knowledge that I have. So also share to a lot of people. You like the button, because when you click the like button, it means the video is going to be reaching to the more people. Thanks so much for your time. Hard, tough, or easy?
It's easy.
Easy. Easy? Oh, my car. It takes a lot of time, right? You're doing good, man. So they gotta have to work on the match, not giving up, and they have to know what they're doing, and then they have to know what they're doing. Bye.
Just 21 centimeters.
You doing, man? How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
You just said it's 9.
Just skydive, man. Give me skydive. Give me skydive again. Whoa! Oh, so what you doing right now?
Math.
What's your math?
Area and perimeter.
Area perimeter. Is that tough or easy?
See?
Tough or easy?
It's in the middle.
What you mean? This is in the middle. You gotta give it 1. Right, so we have a question here. What's up, everybody? The more ring for my queen, you gon' wait me till Jesus come. Why when I talk, pocket full floss, money, honey, forget about Suzanne. So since we don't have all the equipment like cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer. So we're gonna start with these tools and give people knowledge, because that's how they say, start with what you have, and then from there you're gonna elevate it. You're gonna elevate it, and things gonna propagate it, and and things gonna improve slowly, because you can't reach down top before start from the bottom. Otherwise, then you're gonna break and start from bottom of phrase. So I'm gonna